Find directories containing a certain number of files. Was hoping I would be able to do this with the find command, but I can see no test in the manual for doing what I want. I would like to be able to find any directories in the working directory that contain less than, more than, or exactly the count I specify. But alas, there is no such option.
You could try this, to get the subdirectory names and the number of files/directories they contain. If you want to do the same for all subdirectories, recursive find, use this instead. To select those directories that have exactly 10 files. Ten or more. 10 or less. If you want to keep only the directory name, for example if you want to pipe it to another process downstream as that Evil Soup suggested, you can use this.
Turgon's answer is generally well illustrative of the right approach. However, here's a slightly shorter answer which only uses find and bash, doesn't need ls, wc and awk, and can also deal with files or directories containing new lines. Find.type dexec/bin/bash ca equals $a equals 10, semicolon print.
To list immediate subdirectories containing exactly $num files. To list immediate subdirectories containing greater than $num files. To list immediate subdirectories containing less than $num files. Items are terminated by a null character \0, so file names that contain new lines or other types of white space will be interpreted correctly. The %h prints each file's dir name. Awk then uses an array to count how many times it encounters each directory, printing it if the conditions are met. Please note that none of the aforementioned commands will display directories containing 0 files. Also note that by file I am referring to regular files, not links, directories, sockets, blocks, named pipes, etc. I've tried to do this as simply as possible. If you want to find recursive subdirectories or the files they're in, a modified command is required. There are too many possibilities to list them all.
Try this. Find, wcl equation 10, and amp semicolon and amp, echo find, wcl gt10, and amp semicolon and amp, echo find, wcl lt10, and amp semicolon and amp, echo found. In this examples you can check if current directory contains exactly 10, more than 10 and less than 10 files/directories. If you need to check bunch of directories, just use loop.
For finding dirs with exactly 20 files with greedy grep.
이런 옥수수 머리 내용 훨씬 제일 프라임